Pras, on the charging front, we've seen a long list of companies adopting Tesla's charging standard. Who's the latest now?
Kiko, it's Fisker. They're joining the party, the Tesla Supercharger party. However, they will only gain access in 2025, the use of an adapter. And sometime after that, Fisker says they'll include that NACS port, that Tesla port, natively in their car. So I asked Fisker why 2024 wasn't an option like the other Tesla partners. They haven't gotten back to me yet, but I think that's really interesting there. Maybe it's a cost or sort of strategic initiative there. But still great news if you're an Fisker EV owner. Earlier this month, Fisker had that product vision day. Kiko, you were there. You spoke to Henrik Fisker himself and saw the new pair crossover, the Alaska pickup, and the Ronin supercar. And I have to ask you, Kiko, what did you think of that Ronin and also the Alaska pickup?
I mean, the Ronin range is the one thing that stood out to me. The price tag, $385,000. And then a range of more than 600 miles. Did I get that right?
Yeah, I mean, we'll see if that actually happens.
It's no secret that the stock market can resemble a roller coaster at times, and Tesla, a true market disruptor, is not immune to these fluctuations. But as seasoned investors know, market dips can create enticing entry points. Simply put, opportunities can often arise when others panic. This is what we mean. Tesla stock has been trading at a rather low price recently, and some investors are actually worried that they're not going to make as much profit from their own Tesla investments. But the reality is that this dip is just a momentary drop, and it will definitely change course in no time. In today's video, we're going to discuss why the recent dip in Tesla's stock price could actually be a golden opportunity for savvy Tesla investors like you, and why you should be buying more Tesla shares instead of selling. So buckle up and let's navigate through the fascinating landscape of Tesla's stock journey.
Tesla versus the Chinese, with Volkswagen coming in quickly because the biggest seller of vehicles in the world in 2022. They've got deep pockets, global manufacturing. But those are the big three. Everybody else is trying to catch up. So it'll be an interesting battle. What's so fascinating to me is Tesla, really the leader in EVs for a long time, the first ones to connect every vehicle. They've really led the world, not just in bringing battery production in-house, increased robotization of manufacturing, but probably most importantly, really taking the lion's share of and optimizing for over-the-air software. That profit from software sales drops right to the bottom line. That's why the other news piece this morning, yes, you've got is Ford hired Apple's software head to help them figure out their software pricing. They need that profitability.
Tesla, led by the visionary Elon Musk, has redefined not only the automotive industry, but also the entire energy and technology sectors. Its innovative products like the Model 3, Model Y, and groundbreaking FSD technology have captured the world's attention. Market sentiment can be a powerful force. Factors like macroeconomic news, geopolitical tensions, and broader marketing trends can all lead to temporary drops in a stock's value. But this should not be an issue for a seasoned investor, and here's why. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla's vision extends far beyond just making an electric car and leaving it at that. Its FSD tech aims to revolutionize transportation, make it safer, more efficient, and ultimately autonomous. Successful investors often take a long-term perspective, and Tesla's past performance and its ambitious plans for the future make it an intriguing prospect for those willing to ride out the short-term fluctuations. Let's now discuss why this dip could be a golden opportunity for investors who believe in Tesla's long-term potential. But before we do, if you like this type of content, don't forget to leave that like button and subscribe to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. And now let's take a look at what the market analysts are saying about Tesla's recent dip and its potential impact on the stock's future. Some analysts argue that the recent dip is a temporary setback and that Tesla's growth story remains intact. They also see this as an opportunity to buy into a company with unparalleled innovation and global market potential. And we totally agree with them. Tesla's dominance in the EV market is poised to grow as countries worldwide push for greener alternatives. Tesla is well positioned to capture an even larger market share. The automaker's continuous innovation sets it apart, and its commitment to FSD tech and its ever-improving product line make it a standout player in the automotive and tech sectors. Now that we've established why this dip is an opportunity, let's discuss a few strategies to capitalize on it. The first here will be time to market. Timing the market can be challenging, even for experts. Rather than trying to predict short-term fluctuations, focus on the long-term growth story of Tesla. Legendary investor Warren Buffett advises buying great companies and then holding on to them for the long term. This approach aligns perfectly with Tesla's innovation and growth-oriented business model. You could also try dollar cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount in Tesla at regular intervals. This strategy can help reduce the amount of impact of market volatility and potentially lower your average cost per share. You see, Tesla will continue to stand out for a ton of reasons, including its cars, FSD, autonomy, and even superchargers. The news of Tesla's supercharger has become common knowledge to most Tesla enthusiasts, and pretty much anyone who keeps up with happenings about the EV company. As most people already know, Tesla has the best superchargers globally, with no one else coming close. In 2012, Tesla unveiled its supercharger network in the US, with the aim of allowing its Model S to travel long distances with ultra-fast charging throughout California, parts of Nevada, and Arizona. Till date, Tesla has more than 35,000 superchargers in different countries across the world. Since Tesla's superchargers generate electricity from solar energy, this results in almost net zero marginal energy cost after installation, which means that Tesla car users don't have to spend too much to get their vehicles going and charged. Until recently, it was believed that these superchargers were mainly for Tesla EVs, but following Tesla's recent deals with other EV makers, there may be reason to think otherwise. The automaker recently sealed up a supercharging deal with Fisker. By allowing more users onto the network, Tesla will build a larger network for its business, and likewise generate more revenue. Since these services will be paid, it will be a lucrative way to rake in revenue for the company. Tesla's financials are greatly reflected on its stock performance, so we can expect bigger return on investment for Tesla shareholders. With more revenue generated, Tesla can build more supercharging stations globally. It's obvious that the EV company is never actually getting tired of doing more lucrative things. If Tesla eventually allows non-Tesla EV owners to access its supercharging services, then there's a high tendency of successful upselling when it comes to getting more of Tesla's products and even cars to these users. Tesla superchargers have incredible features that can keep their users interested in the EV company. Tesla superchargers are easy to use, and users can simply plug in and charge automatically. They can also view supercharger stall availability and monitor their charge status through the Tesla app. Likewise, Tesla has a big competitor edge over other EV companies in terms of customer service. According to a new J.D. Power study, Tesla's supercharger network is the best in terms of customer satisfaction. It's not surprising, judging by the interesting customer service features that the automaker has made available to its supercharger users. So before you make a hasty decision with your shares, remember that the recent dip in Tesla's stock might just be your golden ticket to join the ranks of smart investors. Successful investing requires patience, research, and a belief in the company's long-term potential. But what do you think? Let us know down below. And if you're excited about the future of Tesla, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you can keep informed on the latest happenings with Tesla. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.